Diana left a comment on a post of a video that I made talking about this new cream cleaner that I got that's made with oxygenated bleach. She said I wouldn't use bleach with anything. It causes lung damage and I would never bring that into someone's home. Absolutely. I agree with you, Diana. I don't like bleach. If you Googled it, you would find out that oxygenated bleach is not chlorine bleach. It's not the same thing. Not the same. And in my video, I mentioned that it's not chlorinated bleach. It's not. The word bleach in itself does not automatically mean chlorine bleach. Oxygenated bleach is not chlorine bleach. But yes, I agree with you, Diana. Totally agree. That's why in my green certified cleaning business that I prefer to use eco-friendly cleaning products. I try to be very mindful of the products I use. And if I like a product, I use it. If I don't like a product, I don't use it. There's actually a lot of products that I get that I use and I'm like, not really for me, and I donate them. Not every product I get I like. That actually was one that I got for free to try out, and I'm still going to keep using it because I do find that it was an amazing cream cleanser, eco-friendly, so totally up my alley, and I really liked it. But yeah, just Google things. You can easily find out the information that I find out. I mean, I read the label too, so I saw what the ingredients were, but Google is free. So yes, thank you. I agree with you. I don't use bleach. I'm very limited. But yes, I agree with you. I try not to bring bleach into clients' homes. I think the only thing that I do have that is bleach is toilet bowl cleaner. And I do have toilet bowl cleaner with bleach, but I only bring it if I really need it. That's it. I don't have any other bleach products like bleach sprays or bleach creams. Chlorinated bleach. But oxygenated bleach, good to go. So check out Bring It On Cleaner, the water spot remover. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link down below. It gets the Crunchified Clean seal of awesomeness. Thank you, Diana. Crunchified Clean friends, I used a new product today to take some hard water buildup and soap scum off a glass shower door, and I was amazed at how great it works. First off, it's eco-friendly, so you know that's a plus. It's made with oxygenated bleach. It's chlorine-free bleach and gentler than bleach. Oxygenated bleach is a natural plant derivative product made from sodium carbonate, also called soda ash, and good old hydrogen peroxide. It has a very nice, fresh, clean, almost minty scent. It's a cream that you just put on your brush or little scrub pad, and you scrub it on your glass shower doors and then rinse it off with water, wipe it off, and it came out so nice and clean. It also disinfects and deodorizes and can help remove mold and mildew. It gets the Crunchified Clean seal of approval. Grab it with my link down below.